Assalamualaikum. I am Nurul Amira binti Z Azaman, metric number 1527202. Now, I will present about our project, which is Software Design Description SDD of Child Tracker Management System CTMS. First of all, I will explain a brief introduction what is CTMS. It is a system used mostly by parents to know the exact location of their children by tracking them. The children wear a device to enable the system to track them and show their real-time status. There are many features in this system. Now I will proceed to architectural design, which is concerned with understanding how a system should be organized and designing the overall structure of the system. Architectural design is the first stage in the software design process. Architecture diagram is important as it is needed to understand, clarify, and communicate ideas about the system structure and user requirements. So, for our project, we choose event-driven and MVC model view controller architectural styles. This is our event-driven diagram. This is the component of our diagram. As for event-driven, we think it is suitable because of the sensors where it will send real-time location to respective actors when the child presses the emergency button of the device that he or she wear. It is event-driven when there's emergency, so it triggers the sensor. Okay, so for the model view controller MVC architectural style diagram, this is the diagram. It is commonly used to implement user interfaces where it is a popular choice for architecting web applications. In general, it separates out the application logic into three separate parts, promoting modularity and ease of collaboration and reuse. Because we use many controllers to get through to the entity, as you can see in our class diagram soon. Okay, so controller receives all requests for the application and then works with the model to prepare any data needed by the view. The view then uses the data prepared by the controller to generate a final presentable response. Okay, so next is use case or scenario viewpoint. This is the visualization of use case diagram of child tracker management system. And as you can see, there are 6 actors, which are new users, registered users, child, administrator, authorities, and sensors. And there are 8 use cases, which are sign up, login, manage personal account, view report, view child real-time status, distress call, generate report, and provide real-time status. Okay, and as I mentioned earlier, the scenario is when child press the emergency button of the wear device they possesses when they felt threatened and in need of help. So distress call received will trigger the sensor and immediately alert the authorities regarding the emergency that happened. Another scenario is when the parents want to know their child's real-time status. They want to view the report of their child's location history generated by the administrator, or want to know the current distance between the user and the child. Okay, so the system shall be able to display whatever the users choose to see. But before all this, parent or guardian have to sign up to be able to use the system by providing details of both the users and their child, which explained by the sign up use case. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. My name is Nur Amira binti Roslan and I will be presenting on the logical viewpoint. Here is the visualization of class diagram. Altogether we have 9 classes, which are parents, children, CTMS, admin, report controller, report, sensor collector, authorities, and sensors. As for the parents class, the attributes are the parent's name, the IC, address, contact number, email, ID, and password. For the methods or the operations, the parents can sign up, log in, log out, register children, manage account, and get real-time location. As for the sign up, the attributes are all of the attributes that are needed for the parents. and the return type is string. For the login, the ID and password is needed. And for the registered children, the parents can register the children's name, the photo, the date of birth, height, weight, and the return type is string. For the manage account, the parents can manage his or her account and can alter the information of his or her children. The parents too can get the children's real-time location. For the children class, the attributes are the children's name, the photo, the date of birth, height, and weight. The children can press the button and the distress call method it will be called. And the method register children is also for children. Next is the CTMS class, which the operations are all displayed for real-time report, account, and also several types of messages. The admin class, the attributes are only the admin's ID and also the password. The operations are the login, which requires the admin's ID and also password. The admin too can reset password, can log out, and also generate report. Report controller with the operation generate report as well as view report. The class report with the attribute location report. The sensor collector, the attribute is real-time location, and the operations are distress call, generate report, and also get RT, which is real-time location. For the authorities, there is distress call operation, which when the distress button is pressed by the children, the authorities also get notified, as well as the other class like sensor collector. Last but not least, the sensors class, which the attribute is real-time location and the method is set real-time location. These classes are associated with each other. For example, the parents and children, their relationship is one children can only have one parent, while the parents can have one to many children.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Aini Syuhada binti Muhammad Ahmadin, entry number 1527298. I'll explain about implementation viewpoint. So this is our component diagram where it shows the dependencies and interaction between software components. So this is our interface component, child tracking management system. On the left side is all the actors that depend on the interface component. There are new user, registered user, child, and administrator. So it shows the dependency with each other. And this is the database component that store the data. Interface component depend on the database component. And lastly, sensor and authorities component, where sensor component will notify CTMS. CTMS component act as event dispatcher and will notify authorities when the child press the distress call button, and will trigger authorities. So I think that's all. Thank you.
My name is Atira binti Muhammad Fakhruddin. I'll explain about the process and deployment viewpoint. For the process, I'll explain the activity diagram. This is the activity diagram for the parents. We have two users, which are new user and registered user. For the new user, they have to sign up and fill in details in order to proceed to manage their account, view report, or view real-time location. For the registered user, they have to log in first, and then they can manage their account, view report, and view real-time location. This is the activity diagram for the children. The children have to distress call when they feel in danger, and by clicking the button at their device. And then the device will send the real-time location to parents, authorities, and administrators. This is the activity diagram for the administrator. Administrators have to log in, and then they can reset their password or generate report. They will generate report based on real-time location. This is the state diagram for child tracking management system. And this is the deployment diagram where about the deployment viewpoint. This application is for web-based and mobile application. So the web-based from the customer computer, they will go to web server and then they will retrieve from database server. Same goes to mobile app. They also will go to web server and retrieve from database server. That's all for the process and deployment viewpoint.
Nur Amira binti Roslan, and then again I will be representing on the detailed design of our project. So here we choose one of the most significant methods. The chosen method is generate report with the parameter real-time location and the return type string. It is used in admin class, report controller class, and also sensor class. The description is it generates report on children's real-time location up to 3 days ago. The modifier is public and the input to this method is children's real-time location. The output would be the list of the children's real-time location history up to 3 days ago. That's all from us. Thank you.